Hi, this is Miss Huber, and this video is going to answer the burning question, what does my remote schedule actually mean? So let's start with advisory. So every morning from 9 a.m. to 9:15 a.m., you're going to have your mandatory morning advisory meeting. This is a chance for you to check in with your advisor and team and for your advisor to take attendance. This is the state mandated attendance. If you're unable to come to these meetings, the school will need to follow up with you to ensure you're attending school and that everything is okay. So, this video is going to talk specifically about the Monday and Thursday groups. So, on this slide, we see 2 weeks of learning, and we're going to look at when you go to class and when your assignments are due. So, if you are live on Monday, Thursday, that means you attend live classes Mondays and Thursdays. So, each week, Monday and Thursday, you attend live class. What does that mean? So on Mondays, you will be going to periods 1, 2, 3, and 4. On Thursdays, you will go to periods 5, 6, 7, and 8. Live class means these are the classes that you will be on a Zoom call for 90 minutes with your teacher and your classmates. And when we go and transition to the hybrid model, Mondays and Thursdays would be the days that you physically come to school. Your asynchronous days will be on Tuesday and Friday each week. Right. So your asynchronous days are your independent learning days. This is going to feel a lot like the remote learning from spring, where you're going to be given an assignment that you will complete completely independently. They will be assigned on a day and due on a day. So let's talk about due dates because that's when things can get a little confusing. So, any assignment that is assigned to you on Tuesday for your asynchronous learning is going to be due on Friday. So, if we look at our calendar here, we see that Monday you had your live period 1 class, and then on Tuesday you have your period 1 asynchronous assignment assigned to you. That asynchronous independent assignment is going to get 2 learning days to complete. So, you will get all of Tuesday, all of Thursday, and then it's going to be due 9 a.m. on Friday. Now, if I look at the schedule, another thing that I notice is that you're only going to go live to all of your classes once. So you're only going to have one opportunity a week to be live in front of your teacher, to complete lessons, and to ask questions out before you attend office hours. So your asynchronous lessons are incredibly important as a way to work and understand your class materials. So anything assigned on Tuesday is going to be due Friday morning. Anything assigned Friday morning will be assigned Friday at 9 a.m., and you will have all day Friday, all day Monday, and then it will be due on Tuesday. So once again, you get 2 learning days in order to complete your assignment. Now, assignments will be assigned to you in Google Classroom for your independent asynchronous days at 9 a.m., and you will submit them Friday at 9 a.m. And the same will happen on Friday. You will be assigned at 9 a.m. on Friday, and then everything will be due Tuesday at 9 a.m. Now, I know the frustration with the 9 a.m. due dates. I know we like things to be due. Like, why don't you just give me the whole day? Why isn't it just due Friday at 11:59 p.m.? Why 9 a.m.? What? Well, what happens is on Friday, that Tuesday assignment would then start overlapping with all of your Friday assignments. So your period 1 English class is now going to start hitting your period 5 math class. And that is going to completely throw you off, make your life really stressful and really confusing. So if we stick to the 9 a.m., you're not going to have an overlap of asynchronous assignments between your different learning periods and your different courses. So, just to really sum up and make this really obvious, your asynchronous lessons, your independent lessons occur on Tuesdays and Fridays. So, anything on Tuesday you will get at 9 a.m. and it will be due Friday at 9 a.m. So, your period 1, 2, 3, and 4 classes will be due Friday. Any work that's assigned Friday, so your periods 5, 6, 7, and 8, is going to be due Tuesday at 9 a.m. But Your live classes are really simple. You don't need to worry about due dates for that because work will be assigned at the beginning of the class and then resubmitted or submitted at the end of that period. So you don't need to balance any extra days. It's all going to be tight within that one 90-minute learning live experience. Now, we see all this, and I know what your next question is. What about Wednesdays? What's happening then? Wednesday is going to be our enrichment day. So we're going to have, of course, your mandatory advisory morning meeting from 9 to 9:15 a.m. And then there's going to be different options different weeks. So some weeks it's going to be a pure focus on enrichment with special interest classes like playing guitar with Mr. Fingerling or cooking with Miss Strobel. You'll have an opportunity to participate in clubs. So if you want to join a club or start a club, this is your opportunity. And then some weeks we're going to have specific grade level content. So this would be town halls and different discussion circles. We will let you know when this happens, and these grade level activities will by no means take all day. They will be a very short period of the day, which will give you the rest of Wednesday to do any enrichment or homework or catching up with your family that you need to do. So thank you for this. And if you have any questions, ask your advisor. We know this is a really confusing start to school, a kind of a confusing schedule, and we want to make sure that everyone is ready to go.